We live in a wonderful time. 100 years ago, most people didn't know how to read. Most people didn't know how to do basic math, and they couldn't even count the money they had. Look at where we are today. You are watching me right now, but we could be 10,000 miles apart. You could be watching this 10 years, 100 years, even 1,000 years after I film this video. This video is immortal. It is my legacy, and it will live on forever. We live in a wonderful time, but we also face challenges. The World Health Organization estimates that in 2016, more than 1.9 billion people were overweight, and it's been increasing ever since. In the United States, the National Center of Health Statistics estimates that 42.5% of the people over 20 years old are obese, and 73.6% are overweight. This is a pandemic. We already know how to lose weight, but 97% of the people who try to lose weight fail, or they regain the weight they lost within 3 years. The problem is not knowledge. Everybody knows that eating healthy, being in a calorie deficit, and exercising makes you lose weight. It's not because of keto, paleo, fasting, or vegetarian diet. Every diet can work. So why do 97% of people fail? It's because of mindset. It's because of motivation. It's because of psychology. It's because of limiting and false beliefs. It's because of procrastination. It's because of the people around us. Social influence. It's because of the lack of support. It's because you know the how, but you don't know how to stick to it and how to really get results. It's because you don't know how to build your lifestyle and how to build habits that support your goals. You don't know how to take action and you get stuck. You get blocked. You get isolated in a corner. Instead of exploring a whole new world of growth, evolution, and leveling up. And these are exactly the things that my YouTube channel will focus on right now. I will tell you exactly how to start a sustainable weight loss plan, be successful with weight loss, and never fail. I have a dream that my generation will completely revolutionize education. I have a dream today. I have a dream that my future 6-year-old daughter comes home from school and says, "Daddy, Daddy, I learned how I can lose weight if I become fat at school. Daddy, Daddy, I learned that I can eat an infinite amount of vegetables and it's healthy. Daddy, Daddy, I learned that I can eat sugar, but it's bad for my teeth. It's fine for health, but it's terrible for hunger management. Daddy, Daddy, I learned that protein is the most important macronutrient. Fat is necessary for hormones, and carbs is necessary for endurance training. I have a dream today. I have a dream that my future 12-year-old son comes home from school and says, "Dad, school was awesome today. We danced for 30 minutes and we burned 300 calories. Then we learned how to bench press, how to squat, how to deadlift, and how each exercise built different muscles. We also learned that back extensions are great to prevent back pain." I have a dream today. I have a dream that the world is united. From the South Pole to the North Pole. From the East to the West. From the West to the east, all together. The earth as one family. Some people talk about going to Mars. Some people talk about living in the sea. Some people talk about aliens. But I say, let's take care of ourselves first. There are so many things we can do right now to improve our lives. Let's do them. I have a dream today. I have a dream that the world unites together towards a common vision. I believe that world peace will be a standard in the future. Our only crusades will be to improve our health, improve our relationships, improve our wealth, and improve our happiness. We will go to war against one of our biggest enemies, obesity. I have a dream today. Knowledge and wisdom can be transmitted through the generations and become immortal, but we are mere mortals. Your time is limited. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So act now and unite the world against our enemies.